Hey guys, it's Michi. Welcome to my fashion haul. You know, it's getting cold, it's fall season, winter is approaching, so I wanted to do a coat haul. So let me show you guys the items I want to feature today. So the first item is this Star Patch coat. This is the red with the black star, and it also comes in black with the red star. And this is available on the site. So I'm going to show you guys a simple way you can put this look together. And this is our tartan coat. This is also available at iloveposhcollection.com. I just absolutely love this coat. And the color block coat. I just love them all. They're all my favorites right now. We just got them all in within the past few weeks, and I am excited to see you guys in it. So I'm going to show you a simple way that you can put these standout pieces together. So what I'm going to do is the bottoms I'm going to put with the coats will be from Posh Collection, but I'm going to keep on this t-shirt. I believe this t-shirt, oh, this is Posh Collection. This t-shirt is actually from Posh Collection, but I don't think we have it in stock anymore. It came in white with the super long sleeves. Oh, this is, I forgot all about this, but I think I'm gonna get this back in stock because it sold out so fast. So everything I'm wearing today will be from Posh Collection. The red pants I have on are from Posh Collection, but we sold out of these. So now I'm really excited. So I can show you guys all the stuff that my boutique carries. So let's get this party started. So I'm not going to take off this tee. I'm going to use this tee for every look, okay? Now you're not supposed to just be corny and just wear this like buttoned up or anything like that. Just kind of like, you know, toss it on you. Just effortless style, like it didn't take much for you to put it together, you know? So check this out. This is all you need right here. You good. Who, me? Oh no, I'm just going to the grocery store really quick. Oh, nothing. I just threw this on. And it is the Star Patch. Now the Star Patch is a little bit more fitted. So if you don't really like the oversized coat, then I would suggest the Star Patch. These are Christian Louboutins. I purchased these like about maybe a month ago, and I just love them. I call these the girl bye shoes. Girl bye. But if this is a little bit too much for you, just drop it down. You want to be comfortable and cute. Bam. Knock could go on and on with this look, switching up my shoes, but I'm gonna go on to the next look. I'll save some for another haul. So this is if you don't really want to do the black pants. You can be a little bolder with the plaid pants. The boots are okay, but I think I want to do just like a heel, something that'll show just a little bit of skin. Since I'm completely covered up, let's show a little bit of skin. Just a little slouchy look. Roll up your sleeves. And I'm gonna add a little something to this. Give it a little bit more of my style. So of course, you know I like hats. So I'm gonna add my little favorite little gray hat. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these Chanel brooches on the hat to make it look a little more exclusive. But it doesn't have to be Chanel, it could just be any little cute little brooches that you like, just to make the hat kind of stand out a bit. If you're a fan of the black liquid leggings, let's put those on. So coats aren't just for cold weather, they're for fashion. You don't want to wait until it actually snows to wear your nice coats. You want to wear them in the fall when the temperature is perfect. Be sure you guys follow me on IG at MadAboutMichi as well as at I Love Posh Collection. Also be sure to check out my website, iloveposhcollection.com, where you can shop for all the items featured in this video, as well as hair extensions, hair care, beauty items, and more.